Make decisions quickly so that I can sell things quickly. Because if you do it a certain way, you give yourself permission to ask other people to do the same thing. It's built-in ethics. At the end of the last year, on December the 13th or 14th, Captain Ryan's in the room. I said, dude, we're going to buy a plane by the end of the year. Okay? I'm going to wipe out my tax bill. I'm going to buy a damn plane, and we're going to wipe it out. Okay? I bought a plane in less than 9 days. Brand new plane in 9 days. The guy at Gulfstream says, dude, nobody does this. Most people take 9 months. Some people take 9 years. 9 days, we bought the plane. Bought it, shopped it, bought it, closed it. He's like, nobody does that. It's ridiculous. Huge purchase, big purchase. Typically a very long cycle, a lot of shopping. Guarantee you that decision that quickly will make me a lot of money. You understand why? That's how I make decisions, man. So what do I expect you guys to make decisions the same way? I spent $50 million in freaking 90 minutes, and you guys take freaking 9 months to spend $6,000. Make decisions quick. Make decisions as fast as you can. Stay certain. You can get new money. Everybody agree? See, when I do that in my own life, I can press you to do the same thing. I've given myself permission, and in this universe, given myself permission to push people to do things faster. If you take a long time to do things, your buyer will then be allowed to take a long time to do things. You shop a second place, a third place, a fourth place, a fifth place, a sixth place, guess what? They will too. You got to get a best deal because your daddy taught you to get a good deal, never be taken advantage of, shop 2 and 3 places, get your best discount, it's got to be on sale. Then guess what? Every customer you have is going to what? Give me a deal, man, give me a deal, man, give me a deal, man, okay? Your worst customers are the ones you give the best deal to. Never can make them happy. They want something. Oh, give me something extra. Give me something else. The mooch. Never satisfied. Right or wrong? Because you guys are mooches. You guys are mooches. Just be honest, man. You can't fix what you deny. You're a mooch, they're going to be a mooch. They're cheap, they're going to be cheap. You're cheap, they're going to be cheap. You take a long time, they're going to take a long time. You shop 4 or 5 places, they're going to do the same thing. You need more information, they're going to do the same thing. You got to have your wife involved, they're going to do the same thing. Yes, sir.